Second sign that you are dating somebody with ADHD is that they are hyper, but not just physically, I'm talking verbally. A lot of people with ADHD as a child have been told numerous amount of times that they need to be more calm, more patient, yada yada yada. So eventually a lot of us actually learn to be more passive physically, but our brains don't leave us alone, and we need still to burn off that excessive amount of energy. We need to take a break from our head somehow, and one way we achieve this is through excessive talking. I know it doesn't sound nice, but it is what it is. So that verbal hyperactivity is not your partner trying to always make everything about themselves. It's their way of trying to get some break from their brain. They're trying to externalize, to release some of the internal chatter outside so that eventually they have a little bit less in their head and they can breathe a little bit easier.